Good morning, everybody. I am here at the locks because today I wanted to talk to you all about flood insurance. Every week I'm trying to bring information that is relevant to my clients and to my friends about different topics that relate to them with housing and real estate. And one of the big topics right now is flood insurance. At the end of last week, FEMA FHA announced that they may change their ruling on requiring FEMA flood insurance. Not that they are going to change you from having to have flood insurance, but giving you some options, opening it up. Because with the different loans that you have, most of them will allow private flood insurance versus FEMA flood insurance. The difference is FEMA is federally funded, and every year it has to be renewed, and private insurance is different. So I'm just going to go over a little bit of the differences so that you will be educated and you can know. And hopefully FHA will decide to change and allow for private flood insurance. Because here are some of the differences. In case you don't know me, I'm Gwen Sams with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central. And welcome to my video. Also, you can follow me on Sam Sells at Instagram and my Facebook Gwen Sams Realtor page. Please like this video and share it. So the differences for flood insurance. If you go to nationalfloodinsurance.org, it'll give you a little bit of information. But while the FEMA flood insurance program is backed and funded by the federal government, private flood insurance has independent carriers. And one of those carriers that I'm going to go over some things with is Neptune, because that's one that's popular locally. And the most notable differences are the coverages. The maximum for the National Flood Insurance Program is $250,000 on your building coverage. And a lot of people are living in homes that if they bought them for less than $250,000, it's going to take more than that to rebuild. But there are others that they've bought them, they've paid more than $250,000. And then the contents coverage with the National Flood Insurance Program is $100,000. In your contents, that's your whole life. That's everything. Some people have antiques. Some people have private collections. So, your numbers go higher there. But the maximum for that is $100,000. Your deductibles are up to $10,000 with National Flood Insurance Program. And there's a waiting period for 30 days after you get the flood insurance. So if a flood happens, then you better hope that it's it's 31 days out or longer. And then additional coverages, there are none. So it's very limited and it's very expensive. Private flood insurance can cost less than half of what FEMA coverages are. And FEMA also requires an elevation certificate and photos, where I'm looking at Neptune, but this is a lot of flood insurance. Private flood insurances are the same. They don't require an elevation certificate. They don't require photos. On this particular one, Neptune, their maximum building coverage is $2 million. So if it takes out your house and your barns and your workshop or whatever that you have on your property, then $2 million rather than $250,000. That's a big difference. Maximum contents coverage is $500,000. And your deductibles are they can be up to $50,000, but there are ranges and you get the choices. Waiting period, some companies, this particular company is 10 days. Other companies, it might be effective immediately or 15 days, but it's less than 30. They also have other additional coverages like temporary living expenses. If you are flooded out of your home, they'll put you in a hotel. Replacement cost on contents. So that's different than content coverage, and you can talk to your insurance agent about the differences there. Pool coverage. A lot of people have pools, especially this year. So will it cover, FEMA will not cover the replacement of a pool, but private insurance will or can. Detached structures, like I said, a garage or a workshop or a barn, those can be covered under private flood insurance. And then basement contents. FEMA does not cover basement contents. As far as I know, it says no here, and on other sites that I've looked at. So there's just some things to think about, the difference. And it does depend on your loan, what you can get as far as flood insurance. Like I said, FHA, you have to have FEMA-backed flood insurance. They will not allow private. But VA, with most lenders, will allow private flood insurance. USDA, with most, will allow that. You need to check, if you're purchasing a home, you need to check with your lender to see what they know of the requirements. You also need to check with your local insurance agent. I'm going to link the nationalfloodinsurance.org to this whenever I post it below. But also, if you need names of local insurance agents to get quotes, I have names for you. I can help you with that. If you have any questions about this, I'm happy to talk about it. Get out there and enjoy this beautiful day today. It is so cold. It's 35 degrees here where I'm standing, but it is so gorgeous. And I know everybody's gearing up for next week for Thanksgiving. I hope you have a safe and happy holiday. I will see you next week because I have some things planned. If you follow me on my Instagram, I'm going to have some Thanksgiving trivia and there will be prizes. So please like, share, comment, all of the above, and have a wonderful day. Gwen Sams, 304-419-7600, and you can find me at gwensams.com. Thank you and have a great day.